We got a good looking 1969 Chevelle with us here today. Beautiful Fathom Green, nice poppin' chrome torque thrust wheels. Under the hood's a 468 big block. Same owner since 1996. Go to volocars.com. That's where you'll find 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, I think it's a good looking car. I like this dark green and the paint job's beautiful. So it's a Malibu, but it's dressed up as an SS, including the hood here with the two bulges. But this is all straight, smooth, shiny. Hood fits square, flush. Front fender is beautiful. All looking really nice all the way down here to the bottom. There's a little chip in the paint touched up right there, but this is all smooth, clean, straight, no rust, no bubbles. The gaps fit really nice. Shuts, thunk, nice and solid. Quarter panel's just as nice, clean, straight. Wheel well molding fits it real nice. This is all looking really good too. So I'm going to tell you the body and paint's exceptional on this car. You'd have to look at it pretty darn close to find any flaw with it. Dirt. See how nice the molding fits the body? That's really nice. The lines are just so straight, square, and flush. Here's a chip and a tiny chip right there. Shuts nice too. The rockers, all that smooth, clean, right down to the bottom. Here's a little touch up right here. Green metal flake, you can see it when the light hits. It gives some nice sparkle. It's all laid out evenly. And again, the paint is polished smooth and glossy. Up front, the emblem looks nice. Bumpers re-chromed, all the trim, the grille, that all looks very good. Windshield's probably original, has a wiper mark here. It has some, like something stained it or something on there. The moldings have been replaced. These have been replaced. Marker lights look new. The moldings around the wheel wells, the emblems, that all looks new. All this stainless trim looks very good. The rubber around the roof could use replacing. It's original. It has some cracks in it because it's just hard and brittle. Door handle's been replaced. 15-inch chrome torque thrust wheels front and back with Nitto performance tires, which I think are pretty darn new because it still has the nubs on it. Yeah, they're nice and meaty in the back. Has a power antenna right here. In back, the tail lights, the bumper, all that's been redone real nice. The emblems blacked out like the SS would be. Vinyl tops looking to be really good shape. All right, beautiful outside. Let's open it up. See how the inside is. Let's see how the trunk compartment looks. Yeah, they painted underside of the trunk lid. That looks real nice. The jamb looks really nice. I like the factory seams and spot welds. Weather strip is replaced. Looks like a very clean, solid trunk compartment. Spatter painted. Get your CDs out. It's got a CD changer. Here's the power antenna we talked about. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified when the new videos are posted. Do check out our website. I promise you're going to love it. So the door jambs were painted real nicely. Bottom edges of the doors, all the seams are really nice and clean. The weather strip around the doors have been replaced. Interior has been replaced. Door panels, armrest, it all looks new still. Has the SS emblems inside. The instrument panel looks like it's been replaced because it's chrome and plastic. That's all too good to be original. It's got a clock in the middle. It's an option, but I don't think it's working. Dash pad's been replaced. Yeah, big sport comp tachometer here. Retro stereo. This is all nice and clean. It's got our work order in here, our inspection sheet, working glove box light. Kick panels are nice. I actually closed the vents, so those are functional. Carpet looks good. It has Chevelle mats. It's a fuel-injected car, so here's the screen. Gives you the vitals on that. And here's a set of gauges. It tells you how the engine's doing. Guess what? That's not a stick shift. This is an automatic. They made it look like a Hurst 4-speed. I think that's really cool. Has all the seat belts. Seats reupholstered and feels good. Headrests are recovered. Inside the back, everything's reupholstered. The seat, the side panels, all looking really good. Also has the seat belts. It's a custom rear shelf with the Chevy logo, bow tie. It does have some Alpine 6x9 speakers. Headliner's in great shape. Fits real nice and tight. Matching visors in real nice shape. The mirror is nice and clear. They threw a nice custom steering wheel on here with the matching green and put it on a tilt column. So yeah, really nice interior as well. Let's go see that 468 big block. So a 468, they start with a 454 and it's bored out 30 over. Good healthy engine rebuild on this one. On top is a polished aluminum intake. I think it's called Y-end or We-end intake. And then it is a fuel injection system hiding under the air cleaner. It's got some nice looking Moroso valve covers and plug wire holders, and it does have a set of headers. It's an MSD ignition system. The engine bay is clean. Front of the motor, chrome alternator. What's hot in here? Bracket. I like the hoses, all the heater hoses, radiator hoses. Look like they're stainless. Does have chrome up here, the latch mechanism, the cover. Does have a clutch fan in the shroud, chrome pulleys, chrome timing cover, chrome power steering pump. And it's also got a chromed and polished power brake system. And the hinges are chromed as well. And it looks complete. The squirters are hooked up, has hood insulation, and one more piece of chrome to point out. Michael's going to show you how it runs. We'll see you in a few minutes. So underneath the car is real solid. We got a real neat paper trail with this car too. All the original build sheet, window sticker. Car was sold new in North Carolina, so it is a solid car. The front end suspension's been rebuilt and upgraded actually. Some big fat tubular control arms. Has a nice sounding dual exhaust system. Does have disc brakes in the front. Everything under there looks clean and proper. Looking up at the motor, it's nice and clean. Chevy orange. Turbo 400 automatic. Has an aluminum thinned deeper oil pan that holds more oil. Keeps it a little cooler. 12-bolt rear end in the back with 373 posi gears. So isn't that a good looking hot rod? I like it. Go to volocars.com. The salesman will help answer your questions like how you're going to get your Chevelle delivered home, how to get it financed if you need it. Thanks for watching.